Hey everyone, big news out of Washington today. The Federal Reserve just had a major meeting and they decided to keep the interest rates the same. But what does that actually mean for you, your money, and even Bitcoin? Let's break it down in simple terms. The Federal Reserve, also known as the Fed, is in charge of controlling how much money will flows through the economy. And today they announced they are not lowering interest rate yet because they see the economy is still strong, people are still spending, businesses are growing, and the jobs market is solid. Inflation is better, but they say it's not perfect. Prices are still going up, just more slowly. They don't want to rush into cutting rates because if they do it too soon, inflation could come in roaring back. Why does this matter? Because interest rates affects everything. Your loans, credit cards, home prices, and even Bitcoin. High interest rates equals to more expensive loan, like buying a house or a car. Lower interest rates mean easier borrowing and more spending, which helps the economy, but can also push prices up. Right now, right now the Fed is playing it safe. They want to see inflation come down more before making any moves. Wait, Donald Trump said he wanted lower rates? Yep. Just last week at Davos, President Trump said he wants the Fed to lower rates ASAP. Some believe lower rates could help businesses grow faster and make borrowing easier, but the Fed doesn't take order from the president. Powell make it clear he will only cut rates when they believe it's the right time. What about Bitcoins and the market? Stocks are unsure. Investors wanted a clear signal on rate cuts, but they didn't get one today. Bitcoins jumped a little. Why? Because Bitcoin does well when people don't trust the traditional financial system. Your saving account, if you got money in the bank, high interest rates mean better returns on your saving, but also higher costs for borrowing. So what happens next? The Fed is waiting to see what happens next with inflation and jobs. If inflations keep dropping, they might lower rates later this year. If the economy slows down too much, they could step in and cut rates to help. But for now, they're holding steady. And this is huge because it affects everything from your grocery to your Bitcoin stacks. The Fed is being cautious, but one thing is clear, they will have to cut rates eventually. And when they do, Bitcoins and other assets could take off. So my friends, stay sharp, keep stacking, and be ready for what's next. And don't forget to hold tight, stack it right. Take care.